Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we're looking at what's another Random Rob Tour Watch unboxing of sorts. Got this from Craig. He dropped it off, so that's why it's not all taped up. But anyway, we'll get it out of the box here. I know it's from Wise. I don't remember the model name, but I know what it looks like. But anyway, let's get this out here. Not seen that packaging execution before. So I got some rubber banded foam packaging here. But hey, that works. Oh yeah, this thing is very neat. Yeah, I forgot Craig said that he put it on this multicolored strap. That's actually pretty cool. I guess this is red with the red here, and then black with the black there. That's pretty neat. This watch is a little bigger than I thought it would be, and it's definitely a heavy watch, especially considering it's on this strap. By the feel of it, I would say it's a FKM rubber. Feels very good. If you guys haven't had a FKM rubber strap, do yourself a favor and buy one. Try it out. I don't think you'll be disappointed. It's contoured and it fits this case too, so it should wear very well on wrist. I'm gonna have to look up the model name of this, and I'll put that in the video title and description. So, sapphire crystal diving series, stainless steel, water resistance 300 meter, so that explains the thickness and heft of this watch, and automatic movement, of course. I've not seen quick release straps with a relief like this before. That's an interesting design. So it kind of rotates down a little bit too, so it doesn't poke your wrist. Some watch bands I've had, actually bracelets with a quick release, Zelos in particular, they kind of stick up a bit high, and you can feel it on your wrist sometimes. Doesn't really cause me issues, but it is something of note. So the hour, minute, and second hand are kind of shiny here. Interesting. It almost reminds me of a Panerai bezel. Very neat. It doesn't help I'm trying to turn it the wrong way, but this shroud here for the bezel does make it difficult to turn this. I guess it's not too, well, it is kind of iffy there. Not so hard to do with two thumbs like this, but the normal way is a little tricky. It's a sunburst dial too. That's very neat. I don't know if it has AR coding. I'm assuming it does, but with this dome, kind of gets some distortion. Well, at least try to look at the dial here. I don't have a problem telling time with it, but I'm trying to get you guys a sense of the kind of a sunburst dial here. So anyway, all right, let's get this on wrist, and then we'll close out the video. Well, before that, we'll compare it to my SKX. So kind of looks to be very similar in size. And, in my mind, I'm trying to think, what does this watch remind me of? I don't really have another watch. I'm kind of thinking Monster, kind of thinking Tuna, but yeah, it's different than those watches. I'm also trying to wonder, how would you ever change the bezel on this thing? I think once that bezel's on there, it's not coming off. Something like this, you could just put I think it's not a knife, but the bezel removal tool, you can just stick it in there and pop it off. Actually, you can use a knife too, but that's kind of dangerous. So, yeah, anyway. All right, let me get this on wrist. Good feeling strap. I think he said there's another strap in here, actually, now that I'm thinking about it. But there we go. Oh, okay. I see what he did. So I guess you have, I guess that would be 4 combinations. You could do black and black, red and red, black and red, or black and red. But anyway, interesting. There we go. A little bit of fidgeting around here to try and get that tongue not to stick out too much. All right, then we'll zoom out for a little bit different perspective here. If you have not already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like the video, and please leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of this watch, if you've seen it before. I'm also supposed to be getting in the Wise Hitman, and I should have that watch and this watch at the same time, so we'll do a comparison video of that as well. Never know what I'll catch in the background here. It's just my bracelet sizing block thing there, whatever it's called. All right, that will conclude today's video. Again, appreciate you guys watching. Thanks for taking the time, and I'll catch you on the next video. Oh, you just noticed there's a little date wheel down there. So, all right, catch you guys on the next one.